Consider the following species: Cn plus, Cn minus, NO and Cn. Which one of these will have the highest bond order? So for each case we'll be finding out the bond order, right? For the case of NO, we have sigma 1 is 2, sigma star 1 is 2, sigma 2 is 2, sigma star 2 is 2, sigma 2pz 2, right? That will give us the bond order as 10 minus 5 by 2, giving us 2.5. For Cn minus, we have the bond order as 10 minus 4 whole upon 2, giving us 3. For Cn, we have 9 minus 4 by 2, giving us 2.5, right? And for Cn plus, we have bond order as 8 minus 4 upon 2 equal to 2, right? So here highest value is of 3, that is of Cn minus. So the answer is Cn minus, that is your option number 2.